Hey, what's up, my people? How are you doing? I've missed you so much. It's been a while before I uploaded something, but if you see me dressed like this, we're doing some artwork today. For my new subscribers, my name is Charity Kalunde, or you can call me your art girl Charity. Yeah, I've missed you guys so much. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for stopping by. And this channel will always do anything about art. And I mean, if you don't do art, what else do you do? Because everything is all art, like kila kitu. Everything is all art. So today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a mat using a mesh mat, or is it a mesh, or is it a mat mesh, whatever it is, guys. I know most of us don't know what that is, but don't worry, I got you covered. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. Guys, like I told you in my first video, for those who have not watched it, I'll be linking it below. Like I told you in my first video, when making a mat, you need, these are the constant things that you need: a sizer, scissors, hook, and your yarn, definitely, and also a pen and a drawing book. If you've not watched my first video, please, before you watch this, it's really advisable for you to go and watch that too. Yeah, and for this video you need this basics one, and then definitely a mesh. And for my mesh, this is a continuation of a mat that I've been making, so yeah, it's really the same. So the first thing that I told you, you guys need to know when you're making a mat, the first step is always the design, the layout of the mat that you want. And for this design, it was this is a Rastafarian mat. I'm not yet done. It's striped, yeah, columns, 3 columns, red, yellow, and green. Yeah, that, I mean, the design, and then the corners were kind of curved, so that's how I labeled them. And then right here with the where the bridges are, so that is where I drew my line. I know you can see it, but it's supposed to, you first draw your design. So my design was that, and then the corners were kind of curved. Yeah, so let's start with the second step, definitely. So the second step is always sizing the yarns. Like I told you, this is my sizer. I told you guys that I'll be showing you a video of how to make a sizer, not necessarily this one, but other sizes that you can use. So when sizing the yarns, you make some loops on your sizer using your yarn. For this video, we just finishing a mat that I was making. It's not really hard, like it's simple, like way simple. Using a mesh is way simple than using a guni. And another advantage of using a yarn, I mean a mesh, it's because a mesh is more long lasting compared to a sack. So like I told you, after making the loops, you cut them. And here we have our sized yarns. I think this will be enough for the demo, because yeah, it's really simple, pretty simple. Yeah, and here is our mesh. It's a continuation of what I was doing, so let's continue. This is what I normally do. You see the small boxes, yeah, the mesh, it has boxes. It's not the same as the sack that you really have to hook it and stuff. So for this mat, I mean for the mesh, I normally skip one line, but if kama unataka, you can just do it like ikuwe compact sana, but for me I like the spacing. It's more, I mean, naonaga ikiwa rembo that way. So for the mesh, you take your hook and you dip it in here kwa the box, and then inatokea kwa the other side. Look at what I'm doing. That way. And then you take your yarns, sized yarns, you fold them into two, you hook it like I told you, that way. And then when it's almost ikianza kutokea the other side, you tilt it that way, and then you pick the other side, like crocheting. You just crochet. Let me show you again. That way, fold it into two, hook, tilt it, bring it up, and hook that. We hook, fold it, hook here, and crochet. That's simple. It's really simple, and it's way fast compared to using a sack. You know, a sack you have to first bow, ni kama unadunga shimo hapo, but for this ni the holes are already there, ni kuhook tu, you hook it like this, just that. And then you take your sized yarns, you hook it, don't use a lot of force, you hook it like that, and make sure you're comfortable wherever you are, and then you hook these two, just that. I mean, it's pretty simple. I mean, you're just repeating the process over and over again until you're done. It's very simple. I mean, the speed that you, when making this and comparing it to a sack, this one is way fast, because imagine the time that you're using boring a nini kwanza una hook nini uzi ya nini kwanza, and then it's really hard and ina take a lot of time, and this one is very simple. You hook it like that. Yeah, I hope my camera is focusing. You hook it like that, fold it into two, hook, tilt, crossover, hook. So you pick that, fold it into two, hook, tilt, crossover, and pick that. Yeah, it's really simple. I mean, we're doing that for the rest of this space. I hope you guys understood this. If there is any question that you have, please don't hesitate, ask me. And any clarification, please let me know. And more information is in my first video that I made on how to make a simple mat, but I made it using a gunia, the sack. You can watch that first, then you come watch this. I mean, it's very simple doing that, because utakuwa na some information that you need, ndio hapa ni simple. And then some people were asking me how to bind the edges. I'll show you that in my next video. And that's it for this video. I'll be showing you the final product of this after I'm done with the whole thing here. And thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you coming to watch my stuff. It's really everything to me. We are at 32 subscribers. Please, let's keep going. Please share this video, let your friend learn how to make a mat. At your free time, you can actually make your own mat. Thank you guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and that's it for this video. I'll be showing you the final products. See you next time. Bye. I love you so much, guys. Bye bye.